Parang I need to put it in methylene blue. Methylene blue.
Magkano po nagastos niyo dyan sa
Oh, goldfish. Parang kasi 2 years na ako nag-goldfish eh. Hindi ko na alam. But this tank cost, like, that is big. Cost only 1,500. Ganyan kalaking tank. And ba't naging 1,500 lang? Because the seller didn't know na the price should be higher. And I also learned na nabili ko na siya. So, it was the miss of the seller, hindi sa akin. Swerte lang. And the goldfish, all of them, no. The pet grade goldfish, mas pet grade kaysa yung quality grade. So yeah, pet grade lang yan lahat. What fish po yung nasa ilalim? Oh, which these tanks, I'll feed them too. Wait. Since I'm done dito sa goldfish. Dito sa sa blue tank na tinatawag ko ay ang what do you call this? This is sort of community tank. Bye-bye. May glowfish. Merong anong type ng zebrafish ito? Not sure. But they are colored ones. And I bought this albino, but now it's brown na. I don't know what happened. And that one, I forgot. But this is a fish too. Pero yung ang tawag niyan, yung kumakain ng same ng pleco. Same ng pleco pa rin. Wait, pakainin ko muna sila. Pagkain. Ano yan? Naubos nila yung mga mga aquatic plant. Kinakain ng plate ko at nung isa. Yung mahiyain, yung dilaw na nasa likod.